Tagaytay. Tagaytay! Tagaytay. The Lakeview Suites with Ayla and Dan. Wait, wait! Here, hi Ayla! Where are we?
Tagaytay.
We are in Tagaytay.
Hindi mo. Ay, na-careful yung dog
This
mo.
is our view. Ang ganda. Look at that. Videoan mo nga kami, Beth. We are now here in Tagaytay, the Lakeview Suites, and this is our view. Ay, wait lang. Here's our room. Okay, let's go inside. Hi. Okay. Pasok, pasok. Now, this is the entrance. Okay. Tapos, pasok mo dito. Ito yung bathroom. Bathroom. Sink. And then, yan. Shower area. Ayan. Tapos, meron silang pasabon. Soap. Shampoo with conditioner. Shampoo with conditioner again. And then, dental kit. Good for tooth. There's also a tissue here. Nagamit na namin kanina. So, yan. Tapos, may cabinet. Ito yung cabinet nila. May provided hanger naman. Then, ito yung kama. Ayan. I think this is not sure. I think it's a queen size bed or a full double. Really not sure about the size. Tapos, ayan. Meron din silang provided na 2 bottled waters, water heater, and coffee cups. Hi. It's my TV, telephone, and aircon. Tapos ito yung view. Here's the view. Ang ganda. Ito yung point of view pag dito. Yan. Tapos, ito yung door. Palabas ng balcony. Ayan. Ang ganda, di ba? Tapos may mga tables and chairs. Table and chairs din dito. Sarap tumambay. Ay, may lamok. Ganun ang view. Ayan. Good day today. Tapos ito naman yung sa baba niya. So kapag nahulog kami, sasalok pa sa'yo. Oh. Hindi. Ayan. Ayan siya. Malaki yung space ng balcony. The outside. Tapos ito. Tapos may pool area. Maliit lang yung pool area. Ayla!
Hindi pa ganun kalamig.
Ayan siya. Cool. Wow! And this is the view.
Picture.
So beautiful. Dito tayo maganda dito. Ha? Dito oh, sa view. Alpa, dito na lang. Our order. Rice.
Sige mo na, kain na tayo.
May salad. Currently eating my salad with this view. Hi, Ayla.
Hi.
It's a video. Yeah. It's no longer raining.
Wait, that mommy pictures.
Here is their menu. Ay, nahangit. Ulan.
Ayla.
Okay guys, good morning. This is the view. I already watched the sunrise kanina. And we decided to extend because look at this. The beauty of nature. As in, parang ang sarap lang mag-connect with nature. Diba? You can hear the chirping of birds, the fresh air, the trees. So, yan.
Ayla na ba? May video na. Tip mo ng coffee to.
Wala. Pwede yung kay Ayla.
Pang-baby lang.
Ayla, hello! Oh, mami and daddy na lang will sakay if you don't want it. We are here in Sky Ranch. And this is the ride. You want this? Okay.
Please check your vehicle at the
Okay,
parking
okay.
area immediately. Thank you.
Kaya nga eh. It's the Taal volcano. The view from Sky Ranch. And the Ferris wheel, and that is the view. The Taal view. And here is Daddy and Ayla. Hello, guys! Videoan mo nga kaming dalawa. Or tayong tatlo.
Ano?
Okay. Ayan. You see, guys? Wow. Swim today, and this is the pool area. Mini pool. Okay. Look at the view.